like getting on the Jurassic Park bubble. You just step in, it keeps moving. I'm about to go up the mountain to Lego. Woo-hoo! It's kind of high. Look at the river. She said you can see fish in the river sometimes. Whoa.
Look, there's a dog down there.
Where's the dog? Oh, there's people behind it.
This
Look
is a
at the.
big river.
It's beautiful. It's
Imagine this crashing and...
Oh, come on, man. Sometimes you'll see fish and snapping turtles. Whoa, it's far down there. We were riding the gondola way up and over the river. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.